What is that, Cammy?
Can you pull it out? Pull it. Woo!
An alligator's not a dinosaur. Unless it's a
Dinosaur.
I just threw it in there because I couldn't fit them in one bag.
Dinosaurs.
Rawr. Is that cool? Cocolica. Do you hear her? I don't know if that's what crocodile is in Spanish. Or... Cocolica.
Alligator.
There's another bag of animals. It's that Merry Christmas one. Cammy, look at that one. Look in that bag. Open that one.
Oh.
What is that?
Oh, another tiger. Look here. Look at him. Whoa.
Did you get that down and start chewing on it? Put that up. Stop. That's not a chew toy.
What are those, Cam? Where's the elephant? Look. It's the elephant. What's the elephant say? Where's the tiger? Where's the tiger at, Cammy?
Sweet.
Uh-oh.
Look, you can make them come up like this. You can even put animals inside.
No!
Not how it goes, Dad.
You see a rope?
Is it turned on?
I don't think it makes noise. till you put
It
batteries
does.
in it.
Oh, there's no batteries, right? Of course. Wait.
She'll be playing with these animals like crazy.
Maybe that's a sticker.
Is it a thought it was a button.
What else we got over here?
I don't know now. You got to get these animals away from her.
We should have saved those for last.
Do you love your animals? Say, I love you, animals.
I love you, animals.
Shut up, Brody.
Yes.
Say thank you, Grandpa. Can you say thank you, Mimi? Say thank you, Mimi. Cambria. Cambria. Say thank you, Mimi. Mimi. And Grandpa, say I love you.
Okay, that's not bad.